Today we're going to talk about why premium.
If you take a look here at the pattern of a premium tire or of a budget tire, you cannot really tell the difference, but the inside of the tire has more than 30 different components in it.
Honestly, this feels like a sports tire.
I'm very, very surprised at how it performs for a touring tire.
Even there, like accelerating and cornering hard, it's managing to grip.
You don't have to make any corrections either.
You can turn in and it just sort of stays there. Look at that, that's what, 86 kilometers an hour in the wet.
We have interaction of the pattern, of the tread component itself, of everything which is below these components we can see here, which is in the end delivering us the performance.
And when a consumer is looking to replace some tyres, what should they consider?
When you're looking at only one axle to be replaced or only one tire because you, for example, got a puncture in your tire, you should always consider the full fitment of your car, because the full fitment means balancing the car. Only in the end the combination, the balance of the vehicle will deliver the full performance you need.
It completely transforms the car, and these are all over the place. By putting cheap tyres on, you're actually ruining your performance car.
Even under the braking, the instability, the way the safety systems intervene, it's just so aggressive inside.
New budgets on the rear with premium on the front. And the oversteer is incredible. It goes, and then the fronts are still very grippy. It's actually very hard to control. I would be very anti to say, put budgets on the rear. One budget tyre.
On the outside, I'm having to make so many corrections.
Really?
Look.
Oh yeah, it pulls to one
Wow.
side, doesn't it? You can really feel it when it loads on that one tyre. So actually it's very unpredictable, isn't it? Oh yeah, it pulls to the side of the budget, doesn't it?
Customer may also be inclined to think that they've got a wheel alignment or a tracking issue, and in fact it can just be down to the different tyres.
And modern cars today have lots and lots of safety systems on board, so why should we still fit premium to a modern car?
This area of the tire is really the only point of force transmission of the vehicle to the road. So in the end it's the tire characteristics which bring your vehicle performance onto the road.